here with shellhammocks.com, and I want to talk about the angle of the Dangle. That's my hammock suspension line and how it affects your ridge line here, and what the heck a ridge line is in the first place. A ridge line is a cord that runs from gather to gather, end to end of the hammock, and it sets the sag of the hammock. With it in place, you're always going to have the same lay in the hammock regardless of your tree spacing. Right now, when there's weight in the hammock, you can see that it's a nice taut, not too tight line. If I change the angle of the suspension, I increase the angle and put weight in the hammock, you can see that it immediately droops. And then it's not really doing what it's supposed to do. So what you want to look for is about a 30-degree angle on your hammock suspension lines. 30 degrees running from the end of the hammock to the trunk of the tree. Sometimes you might need to raise the tree hugger higher on the tree to get that angle. Sometimes you need to lower it. And a good rule of thumb is this angle here from thumb to forefinger is right about 30 degrees. So it looks like I'm right on it, and sure enough, I check it and it doesn't droop. Another tip for sleeping outside in a hammock is to hang your foot end higher than your head end. Right now I've got this side of the hammock acting as my foot end. Again, there's no dedicated head or foot on these hammocks. It's just whatever you want in the moment. And to do that, you can either tighten the suspension or better yet, position the tree strap higher on the trunk of the tree, about 6-8 inches, enough to where you can see that it's angled a little bit better. What that does is it moves the center or the low part of the hammock to closer to an end. So right now my center of mass is my hips, my butt, middle of my body, and I want it to stay in the middle of the hammock throughout the night. If I had to position this to a more level, the center of the hammock becomes the low point, and then the center of me is going to slowly gravitate towards that low point. It's going to put my feet closer to the end of the hammock, which might not be comfortable, and you also might slip off the insulation area here. So it's best to hang the foot end a little bit higher. That way your torso stays put in this part of the hammock and your feet stay put in that part of the hammock, and you're covered head to heel with this full-length insulation.